In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Delta Skymiles rewards. Redeeming your hard-earned Skymiles for travel deals, flights, or upgrades is a straightforward and rewarding process. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or new to the world of airline rewards, following these steps will help you get the most out of your miles. To start, open your web browser and go to the Delta Airlines main website. It's a good idea to bookmark this page if you'll be visiting frequently. Once you're on the home page, you should look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen where you'll find the Login button. Click on it to access your Delta account. If you already have your credentials saved, logging in is quick and easy. Otherwise, simply enter your username and password. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to register for one. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the Delta homepage. It should feel familiar since it's the same main portal for booking flights, managing your travel plans, and checking your Skymiles balance. Located somewhere on the homepage is a section labeled My Profile. You'll want to navigate there next. This section holds all your personal details and preferences, and it's also where you can manage various aspects of your Delta account, such as certificates, credits, and vouchers. Click on this section to proceed. Once inside your profile section, look for an option that says Certificates, e-credits, and Vouchers. Clicking here will take you to a dedicated area where you can view available rewards and select what suits your needs. Here, you can find all the certificates and credits you've accumulated over time. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this section, as it's the key to cashing in on those rewards. Finally, you'll see a button marked Redeem. Clicking on this will start the process of converting your Skymiles into real-world travel perks. Whether it's a flight to your favorite destination or an upgrade to a more luxurious class, this is where the magic happens. As you explore your options, make sure to check any terms and conditions that may apply. Remember, while Delta Skymiles don't expire, it's always good to use them wisely to get maximum value. Browse through available options regularly and keep an eye out for special promotions that may offer better value for your miles. And that's all there is to it. Now that you've learned how effortless it is to redeem your Skymiles, you're one step closer to enjoying your next getaway or elevating your travel experience with Delta Airlines. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!